Hello, we are going to do constructions of triangles. There are four types of constructions. The first one, SSS, where three sides are given. So first you draw a rough triangle. As in the question is given, construct a triangle. So draw a triangle, name it A, B and C. Then fill in what you are given. So AB is 9 centimeters, BC is 12 centimeters and AC is 15 centimeters. We have to find the measure of angle ABC. So now you draw your base, which is BC, equal to 12 centimeters. Remember to have your pencils sharp. BC is 12. Now on the side or on your rough work side, you put 2 points 0 and 9 and 0 and 15, which is the length of your other two sides. This leaves both your hands free to measure with your compass easily. So you have measured 9 centimeters, put your point on B and give an arc. Now you measure 15 centimeters with your compass. Put your point on C and cut the first arc. Where the arcs have cut each other, that will be point A. Join point A to B and point A to C. Label your constructions: A 9 centimeters, BC 12 centimeters and AC 15 centimeters. Now we have to measure angle ABC. Take your protractor, place it on the 180 line and slide it till it comes to the midpoint. Now you count your degrees and you will see it is 90 degrees. Write angle ABC is equal to 90 degrees. Next, we are going to do the construction of a triangle where two sides and one angle is given. Like the previous time, draw your rough triangle. Label it PQR as in the question. PQ is 6 centimeters. QR is 8 centimeters and angle PQR is 75 degrees. Draw QR equals to 8 centimeters from 0 to 8. Now we construct 75 degrees. So take your compass, draw a fairly large arc, draw your 60 degrees, your 120 degrees, then your 90 degrees. Draw your 90 degree line very lightly. Now bisect the area between 60 and 90 degrees to get 75 degrees. Join 75 degree, the 2 points to point Q. Like the previous time, mark 0 to 6. So your hands are free to measure with your compass. Cut off 6 centimeters on the 75 degree line and now draw your triangle. Label your triangle P, Q and R. PQ 6 centimeters, QR 8 centimeters, angle PQR 75 and measure PR, and we see it is 8.8 centimeters. PR is equal to 8.8 centimeters. Now the next triangle, where we have two angles and one side given. Like before, you draw your rough triangle, label your rough triangle. In this case, DEF. Angle DEF is 75 degrees, angle EFD is 30 degrees and EF is 15 centimeters. First, draw your EF, which is 15 centimeters. On point E, you will draw your 75 degrees. So first draw a large arc, then you draw your 60 degrees, then you draw 120 degrees, 90 degrees by cutting 120 and 60. Join your 90 degree very lightly, a light line. Now bisect 60 and 90, the angle between 60 and 90, to get 75 degrees. Draw your 75 degree line. On point F, you will construct 60 degrees first and bisect 60 to get 30 degrees. Draw your 30 degree line and continue till it meets the 75 degree line. That point will be D. Label your triangle DE and F. Angle DEF 75 degrees, angle EFD 30 degrees, DE 15 degrees. Measure side DE and DF. DE is 7.8 centimeters and DF will be 15 centimeters. This is a special triangle, an isosceles triangle. Next we construct a triangle where 90 degrees is given and the hypotenuse and another side. As usual, draw your rough diagram, fill in what is given, X, Y and Z. You name the triangle. XY is 6 centimeters, XYZ is 90 and XZ is 10 centimeters. We have to measure YZ. Draw a longish line. I am not measuring it this time. So the starting point is going to be Y. We've got 1 point. Z will be along that line. Now construct 90 degrees on Y. So 60, then 120, and bisect the angle between 60 and 120 to get 90. Draw your 90-degree line. Cut off 6 centimeters on the 90-degree line. Like before, mark it in the side. How much is 6 centimeters? And 10 centimeters. Measure 6 centimeters with your compass. On point Y, cut off 6 centimeters on the 90-degree line and then measure 10 centimeters, and from that point you cut off 10 centimeters on the first line we drew. And so this is your triangle. X, Y, and Z. Label your triangle X, Y, and Z. 6 centimeters XY, 10 centimeters XZ, and 90 degrees XYZ. Measure YZ, and we see it is 8 centimeters. YZ equals to 8 centimeters. I hope you learned to construct the different triangles. Thank you.